What?
Mommy!
Oh, Spazzy
Teacher.
Kid. Where's I hear my sister? Everybody run away. Oh, makeup. I have more drool. More drool. More drool.
Sorry, everybody.
More drool, thanks.
Sorry, Karen.
That was, you know, every once in a while the drool thing takes over and it's caustic. I'm burning Daddy's hand with it right now. It's, Alright, flying time. Alright, who should I save today? Doo-doo-doo. Well,
Wave your wand. Make a
I have
wish.
my little wand thing. Ready? Up, down, touch the ground, puts me in the mood. Up, down, touch the ground, in the mood.
Not so fast.
drool.
Too
I
far in
know.
the eyes.
Alright, ready? Up and down, and up and down. Ready? Up slow, down fast. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Woo! Oh, makeup. Oh dear. Caustic drool again. Yeah, that's my. Hey, what's with the crown? Ow! I don't have any hair to put the crown on. I don't know if you guys know this, but that hurts a lot. It's on backwards and it hurts. It's jamming into my already sensitive skin. Hi, Dad. Can you save me? Oh, I'm glad you're here. Did you know what these people are trying?